Greetings to all my students, and today's topic is pronouns. Pronouns. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Like we use he in place of a masculine category. Like if we talk about a boy, Raghu is my best friend. He is very intelligent. So, he is used in place of Raghu. Means I do not need to repeat the name of Raghu again in second sentence. Let's take other example. I like to eat apples. Apples keeps us healthy. I like to eat apple. It keeps us healthy. So in place of repeating the noun in the second sentence, we use pronoun in place of it. Let's take another example. I have a pet. My pet name is Lucy. Lucy is a cat. It loves to eat fish. So here as there is a topic given to us and we want to describe it, then in place of repeating its name again and again, Lucy or cat, we can simply replace it by a pronoun, that is it. Let's solve this exercise now and we can better clear our all doubts. First, Mr. Thapa is a police officer. Mr. Thapa lives in Punjab. So here in the first line we talked about Mr. Thapa is a police officer. In the second line we are again talking about the same person. So when we talk about the same person repeatedly, then we can replace the name by pronoun word. So Mr. Thapa is a man. So in place of a man, we can use he. So he lives in Punjab. Okay, so in place of Mr. Thapa, we can replace it with he. Where is Devika? I am waiting for Devika. In the first part, we have already mentioned Devika's name. Okay, but in the second, Devika's name is repeating. So to avoid this repetition, we can use a pronoun in place of Devika's name. But remember, here Devika's name is not coming in the first position, or it is not in the subject part. You know our sentence is divided into subject and predicate. Okay, so I is the first person here while Devika is the second. For the second person, as it is a girl, we will use here her, not she. Okay, if the Devika's name would be on the first place, like here, like Devika is waiting or something, so then we would have used she. But here Devika's name is coming in the later part of the sentence, so we will use her here. Okay, so I am waiting for her. Next, I have a beautiful bag. You may take this bag. Here, I have a beautiful bag in the first sentence. Bag is a noun. Okay, you may take this bag again. We are talking about the same bag. So in place of this bag, we can use it. Okay. Next. So the sentence will be you may take it. And here the sentence I am waiting for Devika. In place of that, I am waiting for her. Right? Next. Ritu is a TV artist. Ritu has a very sweet voice. So Ritu is a TV artist. Okay, and in this case, like where is Devika? I am waiting for Devika. If there would be the name of any boy, suppose where is Deepak, I am waiting for Deepak. Okay, so here Deepak is a boy, right? So in place of boy's name, as in place of girl name we use her, in place of boy name we will use him. If the boy name is coming in the later part of the sentence, then we will use him. Okay, so if for the nouns like boy, for masculine nouns we can use he or him. Okay, and for the feminine nouns, in place of feminine nouns we can use she and her. Okay, but for the animal and for the object we use it. Okay, and later we will do more practice, and you can easily then understand the use of these and many more pronouns. Okay, if you have any query, you can write it and send your queries to me.